Project management has no shortage of challenges. Product requirements are managed in Excel. Project timelines are managed in Microsoft Project. Tasks are handled in Outlook, and none of it's connected to the engineering design data. Not to mention, it's even tougher to get status updates. As a result, lots of time is wasted spent in meetings and conference rooms instead of working on the design. Let's take a few minutes to see how SOLIDWORKS Manage can connect people, timelines, and deliverables to ensure your next project is delivered on schedule. We're ready to launch a new miter saw into the market. We've completed the first stages of our new product introduction process. As a project manager, I'm ready to kick off the new development project. After adding the required project cost, time estimates, and linking the project to our client record, SOLIDWORKS Manage simplifies initial project plans by using templates. I can choose the initial plan based on a template I created from previous Power Tool projects. The better I understand my project stages and tasks, the better I can make templates for future projects. Once applied, I can adjust the project plan as needed. For example, this new saw will need a physical testing stage instead of an installation stage, and will need another review and wrap-up meeting stage. All of the familiar charting tools are available to help me understand the critical path. With SOLIDWORKS Manage, I don't have to detail out every task as a project stage. Each stage, like my design stage, can have as many detailed user tasks as needed. These tasks came right from the template, so all I have to do is assign them to my team and we're ready to start work. Occasionally, our design team needs to have focused development sprints. Assigning tasks to the SOLIDWORKS Manage task board is like virtual sticky notes that don't get accidentally thrown out in the trash. And all the project tasks show up on a user's home screen, so they know exactly what they need to do. The best part for me as a project manager is that as users post time against their tasks, or mark them as completed, I can update the project progress automatically, so I can monitor when we are behind or ahead of schedule. SOLIDWORKS Manage also provides a convenient place to track the risks associated with our SAW development project. Our production team may not be able to produce all the parts we need, and that could have a serious impact on our deadline. I'll make sure to coordinate with a contract manufacturer if needed. Most importantly, my project deliverables all come from SOLIDWORKS designs and other documents stored in PDM. Since SOLIDWORKS Manage is connected to PDM, it's easy to link them to the project, either as deliverables, related to the project stages, or in a bill of materials for the entire project. Whether your projects are simple or complex, SOLIDWORKS Manage can help you plan and track progress while staying connected to the design data. And for visibility, check out how SOLIDWORKS Manage dashboards and reports can provide a meaningful view for every one of your project stakeholders. To learn more about how SOLIDWORKS Manage can help your team with project management, reach out to your local value-added reseller.